The mighty zinc, an unsung hero for your health. Zinc often gets overlooked in the world of vitamins and minerals, but don't let that fool you. This small but mighty mineral is a powerhouse of benefits. This mighty mineral is essential for a healthy life, playing a crucial role in numerous bodily functions. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, zinc is at work. From supporting a strong immune system to promoting wound healing, zinc is a true unsung hero working tirelessly behind the scenes. It helps your body fend off illnesses and recover from injuries faster. Think of zinc as a vital cog in a well-oiled machine that is your body. Just like a machine needs all its parts to function smoothly, your body needs zinc to maintain its optimal performance. It's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, influencing everything from cell growth and DNA synthesis to taste and smell perception. Imagine the complexity and importance of these processes. Without enough zinc, our bodies simply cannot function at their best. You might feel more fatigued and your immune system could be compromised, making you more susceptible to infections. While our bodies don't naturally produce zinc, we can easily obtain it through our diets. Foods like meat, shellfish, and legumes are excellent sources of this essential mineral. By incorporating zinc-rich foods or supplements, we empower our bodies to operate at peak performance, bolstering our overall health and well-being. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient. So, the next time you're considering your nutritional needs, remember the mighty zinc, a small mineral with a big impact. Make it a part of your daily routine and feel the difference it can make in your life. Zinc and your immune system, a powerful partnership. Let's talk about your immune system, your body's natural defense force against harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. This complex network of cells, tissues and organs works tirelessly to keep you safe and healthy. And guess what plays a critical role in keeping this defense system strong and ready to fight? You got it, zinc. This essential mineral is a key player in maintaining your immune system's strength and efficiency. Zinc is not just another nutrient, it's a powerhouse that supports various functions in your body. Zinc acts like a vigilant guardian, ensuring your immune cells, such as white blood cells, are in tip-top shape to combat infections. These cells are your body's first line of defense, and zinc makes sure they are always ready for action. It does this by aiding in the production and development of these immune cells, making sure they are abundant and ready to tackle any threat. But that's not all. Zinc also helps in the communication between immune cells, ensuring a coordinated and effective response. Zinc also possesses antioxidant properties, helping to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining the integrity of your cells. These harmful molecules can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can cause significant damage to your cells if not neutralized. Zinc steps in to neutralize these troublemakers, providing an extra layer of protection. By doing so, it helps to maintain the balance and health of your immune system. By ensuring you're getting enough zinc, you're essentially investing in a robust and responsive immune system, better equipped to keep you healthy year-round. So, make sure to include zinc-rich foods in your diet or consider supplements if needed. Your immune system will thank you. Wound healing wonder: how zinc speeds up recovery. Ever wondered how your body miraculously mends itself after a cut or scrape? It's a fascinating process that involves many elements working together seamlessly. Among these elements, zinc plays a starring role in this incredible healing process. This essential mineral is a key player in ensuring that your body can repair itself efficiently. From minor cuts to major surgeries, zinc is essential for repairing damaged tissues and promoting speedy recovery. It's like having a personal repair crew working tirelessly to fix any damage. Think of zinc as a master builder at a construction site. Just as builders need materials and tools to construct a building, your body needs zinc to rebuild and repair tissues. When you experience a wound, zinc rushes to the scene to support the growth and regeneration of new skin cells. It's like an emergency response team arriving to start the healing process immediately. It helps form collagen, a protein that acts like a scaffold, providing structure and strength to newly formed tissues. Collagen is crucial for maintaining the integrity and elasticity of your skin. But Zinc's talents don't stop there. It also plays a vital role in other aspects of the healing process. It helps reduce inflammation and fight off infection, preventing complications and ensuring a smooth healing journey. By keeping inflammation in check, zinc ensures that the healing process is not hindered. This means less discomfort, faster recovery times, and a reduced risk of scarring. A well-healed wound not only feels better, but also looks better thanks to zinc. So next time you reach for a bandage, remember the incredible power of zinc working diligently behind the scenes to mend and restore your body. Whether through diet or supplements, ensuring you have enough zinc can make a significant difference in your recovery.